In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 tennis rackets available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best tennis rackets. The 5th product on our list is the Teloon tennis racket. Are you looking for a sleek, traditional racket that can deliver powerful swings? Look no further than the Teloon tennis racket, which is built to make every game memorable for you as it hits the ball with a lot of force. It has a rubberized handle that lets you grip your racket very well. The handle, like the rest of the frame, is made with high-quality aluminum and carbon fiber that does not crack easily. We liked that this tennis racket has 10 bright color options, so you will find one that suits you. There are also other color options for anyone who loves bolder and darker colors. Teloon has a face size of 102 inches squared, which is one of the reasons why it comes highly recommended for everyone, especially beginners, as it is wide enough for you to hit a ball with ease, unlike when using those tennis rackets with smaller face sizes. The Teloon weighs only 280 grams, so it is lightweight and can be used by people with smaller body sizes. Its lightweight also makes it possible to easily carry it from your house to the tennis court. Unlike other tennis rackets in the market with strings prone to snapping, the Teloon has strong strings that bounce the ball back with powerful force. With a total length of 27 inches, Teloon makes it easier for players to reach a ball than shorter tennis rackets. Teloon is built with the latest shock-absorbing technology that enables it to move shock away from its handles, where it can affect your hands. That is why Teloon users never suffer from pains caused by shocks and vibration. Overall, we found that every inch of this unit is strong and durable enough for everyday use. Its pros are, it is well sized for a range of players, it has a range of color options, and it is very lightweight. However, its carry bag can tear along the seam easily. The Teloon is an excellent tennis racket built for beginner and intermediate players that want a tennis racket that they can use with ease. Up next in 4th place is the Senston tennis racket. Professional tennis players know that quality of the racket you are using goes a long way in determining if you would win a competition or not. That is why nice and powerful tennis rackets like the Senston tennis racket come highly recommended for any player who desires to win a game. The Senston tennis racket is built with the latest one-piece molded technology, which allows a player to make a mighty swing with the racket and hit the ball with high force. With the total length of 27 inches, Senston can easily reach the ball as it is coming from the component side with high speed. For those that like to match their kit to their racket, the Senston has many color options to suit their needs. This tennis racket even has a carry bag that you can use to package it after a game, enabling you to transport it to your home with ease. Plus, its carry bag also helps to protect it from dust when stored. It has 2 overgrips that feel comfortable to hold. These overgrips also help to protect the handles of your tennis racket from wearing off. We like that the Senston has 2 vibration dampers that help absorb the shocks from hitting balls with high force and prevent hand fatigue. It has a grip size of 2, so everyone can grip this tennis racket comfortably and swing it without losing their grip and sending it into the air. We liked that this tennis racket is durable, as it is built with high-quality aluminum materials, so you don't have to worry about it rusting over time. Its pros are, it is budget-friendly, it is lightweight, and it is very well made. However, the soft grips wear down pretty fast. The Senston tennis racket is built for professional tennis players and everyone that desires to play like a tennis champion. Still haven't found a tennis racket that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the WOED BATENS tennis racket. Your speed and the force with which you hit the ball back to your opponent matters a lot in tennis. So you need a racket that you can facilitate your ability to hit the ball with a lot of speed. That is where this tennis racket comes in, as it is built for professionals that play to win. It has a head size of 105 inches squared. This makes it wide enough for you to hit a ball with ease. We liked that this tennis racket has vibration dampers that help prevent issues with wrist pain that can develop after a lot of impacts. This is why players that use this racket never get exhausted, even when playing for hours. Its overgrips are also so comfortable that you can go on for game after game without feeling pains in your palms. It is specially designed with the WOED technology for both professionals and beginners, as it is pretty easy to use. We also like that this unit is built with high-tension nylon thread that prevents the strings from getting loose and reducing the force. It is aesthetically designed for those players that love quality rackets with a touch of beauty. Despite all the excellent features of the WOED, it is budget-friendly, so you don't have to spend so much money to get an awesome tennis racket. Lastly, it has a carry bag that can be used to carry it from one place to another and protect it from getting damaged, especially when in transit. Its pros are, it is exceptionally well made, it has 2 rackets in a package, and it is good for wrist and hand health. However, it's heavier than others on this list. The WOED BATENS is a tennis racket built to increase your speed and the power of your swing during a tennis match. The second product on our list is the HED Graphene XT Radicals. Are you tired of using those regular tennis rackets that do not deliver powerful swings? You need modified tennis rackets like the HED Graphene XT Radicals, which are built to boost your performance by increasing the force of your swings. It is lightweight, so it is effortless for any player to lift, swing around, and it hits balls with a very high force that will send your opponent running around the tennis court at full speed just to keep up. It has a lighter frame that keeps the weight concentrated at the racket's center and allows it to hit balls with much more rebound force than usual. We like that this tennis racket has tight string spacing that prevents mesh from getting loose and reducing a player's performance. Its grip size is 4.38 inches, which is the size for every adult player, as it fits nicely into people's palms, especially those with average or big hands. The HED Graphene is built with advanced graphene technology that helps redistribute weight from the center of the racket to the handle and hoop. This enables you to deliver swings with more force without taking much effort. Lastly, it has an attractive orange color that makes it beautiful and adds color to complement your looks on the tennis court. Its pros are, it has a 1-year warranty, it is built with strong and light graphite materials, and it has tight string spacing. However, string dampers are not included in a purchase. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top tennis racket is the OPPUM tennis racket. Are you looking for a racket built with the latest technology for delivering the most efficient and powerful swings possible? Check out the OPPUM tennis racket, built with a mixture of 2 strong materials, high-quality aluminum and carbon fiber. This gives OPPUM its reputation as one of the most durable tennis rackets on the market today. It has durable mesh. You can go on hitting thousands of balls with it, and it will still be intact. It even has a wooden-clad handle that helps to absorb shocks and vibrations coming from the forceful collisions between the racket and the balls. We like that it has 2 bold colors, red and blue, and that it's suitably sized for people of all ages. If you ever desire to own a quality tennis racket that is affordable, OPPUM has what you're looking for, as it is very well priced considering how high the quality is. It has a beautiful carry bag that you can use to package it and store away to protect it from dust and dirt. This tennis racket is a perfect gift for those who love tennis or want to be introduced to the game in the best way possible. Its pros are, it has threading holes, it absorbs shock with its triangular shaped frame, and it is ergonomically designed. However, it's only 21 inches long. The OPPUM is an advanced tennis racket built for newbies and experienced players alike that are looking to up their game. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.